So starting the test drive in this Blazer, there was an option a while ago. I remember I had to borrow a vehicle. Well, one of mine were in the shop, and I got the, I think it was a 19 Blazer with the 2.5 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, and it just wasn't enough power for me. This 2-liter turbo, while it's not as good as the V6 in my opinion, I like it better for the fuel efficiency, and it still doesn't feel dangerously slow like that 2.5 4-cylinder did back when I had to drive one of those. And this is in the normal mode as well, so I'm gonna put it into the sport mode. Not gonna floor it, but I'm gonna give it a little something and see how it accelerates. So pretty easy to do that on the fly here with this knob, and you can feel it transition from the 2-wheel to the all-wheel effortlessly. Here we go. Yeah, I mean, that got up to speed really nicely. Now, I do want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee for allowing me to review this Blazer today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But I mean, this ride quality is really good. The Blazers, the Traverses, the Enclaves, everything that's pretty much on this SUV platform that isn't a large SUV rides really well. And the Blazer is no different there. It's very smooth, very safe feeling ride, let me put it that way. And the sound acoustics in here are pretty good. Still hearing a little bit of wind, but it's windy outside, so it's not silent, but I think it's solid for what it is. And road noise is not really noticeable like you would expect with these 20-inch wheels. Now, for this to be a little over $42,000, I think this is one of the last, and it might be due to the dated body style, the dated tech, I don't know, but this seems to be one of the last few SUVs, this along with the Edge, where you don't feel like you're having to pay 50 grand to get a basic vehicle. The Blazer still looks modern, it still looks good. I still love the tech here. Having the adaptive cruise on its convenience package is nice. And honestly, 42, what was it, 218 or whatever the sticker price is, it feels relatively inexpensive right now in this world full of wars and tariffs and inflation. You know, everything you're basically expecting to pay 50 grand for, it doesn't matter what it is. So the fact that this is closer to 40 than 50 for what you get, I think is gonna allow these to sell a bit more before a redesign is necessary, before axing the entire model is necessary. Now, I still don't see a lot of these out there, and that may be a good or a bad thing. Reliability wise, it's kind of hard to tell with these 9-speed transmissions. Don't know a lot about them, because the Blazer, as hot as it was when it first came out, it wasn't really a cash cow for GM. I don't think it wasn't really like, it wasn't a Silverado or anything like that. So as well as they've been doing relatively, it's not, you know, these aren't selling like hotcakes, I don't think. But with all that being said, I like that we have the bigger screen, push button start, the wireless charging pad. This all-wheel drive is a really nice system paired with this 2-liter turbo with a 9-speed. I'd just probably get a steering wheel cover for this. But honestly, I like the perforation on the side, so the only reason I get a cover would be to keep from having the trim fade, if you get what I mean. But it's a really nice vehicle. You're getting 22 miles per gallon city, 27 highway, which is great for something this spacious. Relatively quick, honestly, especially in sport mode. And I just feel like it's a lot of vehicle for the money when you think about the tech, when you think about the powertrain and the looks in general. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of the 2026 Chevy Blazer 2LT with cloth and all-wheel drive.